make sure that this headset works. The issue is that one side is working and one side fails to work. So we've realized that this wire is cut off, and these are the steps to fix it. First of all, you have to get your iron, soldering iron. Then you have to solder it in a very professional manner. So after opening this headset, you'll find mostly the wires cut into pieces, and this is how you can fix them in a professional way. Okay, this is the wire. It's a little bit very small, but you have to try and you squeeze it. There you are. Yep. So this is how it is. It has been fixed. It is okay, very okay. So we have to connect this. Like that. Are we there now? I'm on my phone. It is connected, but I don't know. Once to see if it's working very well. Yes. Good. 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 Done.